Hi, I'm Yvonne from Pre Designs, and today is day 7 of my 12 days of Craftmas. Today I'm just going to show you how to make this really simple gift bag. It's called a bag in a box. It's exactly the same size bag except for the height. So the base is the same, it's just the height's the difference. So let's get started. I'm going to do a Christmas one. I'm putting my paper trimmer, and I have a piece of red cardstock that measures 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres, and you need to score 2 centimetres around all 4 edges. So nice and easy. And then I'm going to use my paper snips just to snip one score line of each of those sides, so that I can make this my little box. Burnish all the score lines. And then using my multi-purpose liquid glue, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on each of those tabs. Don't need a lot. And bring the tabs up to make the little box. That's as easy as the base is. Hold it for a few seconds just for that glue to adhere. And that's going to be the base. Then I'm going to bring in a piece of designer series paper. Now this piece is from our Painted Christmas designer series paper pack, the 12 by 12 inch, and this measures 12 centimetres in height by 25 centimetres in length, and that's because I'm going to make this height one. If you want to make it taller, just make the the designer series paper taller.